Hey guys, today we are looking at the Emperor Penguin. Now, this figure is not from Safari Ltd. It is one of 3 figures that I own from Schleich. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. I just want to say it is a beautiful figure. And it sells for $5.99. Trying to see if I can zoom in. I don't think I can. The artwork on it is 10 out of 10 for sure. It is beautiful. It has all of the colors associated with the Emperor, from the orange on the right underneath the neck to the sides, and also on that beak. It even has the little pouch that the males have to sit over the eggs. Ten out of 10. I got lucky with this figure. Its colors are top-notch. The feet are great looking. The texture of the mold is perfect. The beak looks amazing. I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. Will it stand up? So this isn't a huge figure, though it is bigger than the tube animals that I have from Safari Ltd. It's still possible, I suppose, to lose it if you have a bird collection, if you collect penguins. If you want to add more animals from Antarctica, you should add this critter. Now, I just want to show you, this is one of the penguins from Safari Ltd. We're just going to throw it in so you can see the size difference. There, you can see the size difference between the two. Still, really cool figure. With that, I'm going to see you laters.